Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Infiniti G35. First, gather your essential tools, a set of jumper cables, and a working donor vehicle. Always prioritize safety by ensuring both cars are in park or neutral with their engines off. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is highly recommended to protect yourself from potential electrical sparks or battery acid. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red, positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Infiniti G35's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red, positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Finally, attach one black, negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. For the crucial grounding step, attach the remaining black, negative cable clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Infiniti G35 away from the battery. This provides a safe ground. Now, start the donor vehicle's engine and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to transfer a charge. After this charging period, you can attempt to start your Infiniti G35. To disconnect the cables safely, reverse the order. First, remove the black negative cable from your G35's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Next, detach the red positive cable from the donor battery, followed by the red positive cable from your G35's battery. Drive your Infiniti G35 for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.